we're in California. Kind of driving in this evening. Hopefully we'll be able to maybe find some birds, put them to bed. We're not going to hunt tonight. It's 5 p.m. cutoff time. We're going to get here right towards the end of that. But it's pretty.
It's gorgeous.
What do you think, Jakob?
A little bit different than where we left. There's trees.
There's trees.
Lots of them. I feel like there ought to be a strutter somewhere right here on the side of the road.
Yeah, we're getting to that point. We should be able to start seeing birds. So hopefully we got a little more room to stretch than we did in Nevada, because that was awful limited of show.
Yeah. The Joker's got one heck of a beard. Good Lord, both of them do. We made it to California. We found a couple.
We heard gobbles. All right, good morning. It's our first day in California. Got in late yesterday evening. Did have time to kind of check the area out. Got out, kind of tried to make turkeys gobble in a couple different spots. I was unable to locate any birds anywhere near public land. So kind of winging it first thing in this morning. I'm just going to get to a spot that might have some potential and see if any birds gobble. And we'll go from there. That's about all I can do. There's a little rain forecasted for today. I'm not sure how that's going to end up for the big camera, but should be able to keep the smaller cameras rolling. Other than that, looking forward to it. It's a new state, man. This drive in was beautiful. I did give Jacob back to the Stanley gang because I'm camping in my vehicle out here, so they're doing the hotel room thing. So trying to pinch my pennies. Already spent enough, but that's all I got. Let's get after it. Well, I started out with good intentions. I really did. I had the camera out. I wasn't wearing any rain gear. I thought I had just some light misty rain that I could deal with for a couple hours before I had to go full rain gear. But as I got up on the hill, checked the weather, and it's gonna rain. So it started raining a little too heavy for me. I had to put the raincoat on, put the camera in the bag. So I did not have a camera prior to gobble time. So I was way up yonder on the other side of that little hill. Probably did a straight line 650 yards from where I heard my first gobble. Luckily it was pretty dark when they gobbled. I had to come down over the hill, and then I had a hill between me and the birds, and it kind of screwed me up a little bit because I couldn't hear anything gobbling once I got below that hill. And I started working my way this way, and then finally got around the bend to where I could hear them again, straight line. And they were in those big trees there. So I'm coming up from down this road and caught into the edge and just kind of slipped up, tucked in around that, used the trees as cover, got to right there where I was sitting. They flew down onto that hillside, and at first they were going to be a little bit too high. They were a little too high up on the hill, and I yelped at him and cut at him a little bit. He gobbled, and there were two Longbeards, and they kind of started facing me and coming down the hill a little bit, and that's what saved me because the hens were out of range. But they came in, just crested that 40-yard mark, and that was good enough for me. And man, this bird, if you like those sort of things, he got them. A little of that TSS head swell. Pretty sure these are supposed to be Rios. Compared to the Nevada Rios from yesterday, these are a lot darker. But unfortunately, he's a bit soggy. I don't think it's going to dry out much today to be able to get a non-soggy picture. Kind of sucks, but.
Oh, hi.
As you can tell, I picked up a hitchhiker. Got Jacob. We're gonna run around and see if we can't find that other bird that was with the one I shot this morning. So see if he wants to play. Kind of got a feel for the direction they went. I'm gonna do a big loop to get hopefully in front of him and work down the creek bottom to hopefully bump into him at some point.
It's a little damp.
It is a little damp, so the camera's going back in the bag.
Yeah.
Me sorry. Not that sorry.
Figure out if he's down in that valley or if he's up on that next hill.
Sounded definitely lower than we are.
Wasn't close though. My first turkey gobble in California, baby.
coming to us.
I'm gonna try to get top of that, maybe just glass. If he's not gonna gobble, I think we have a chance of seeing him because it's really open down there. If he's on that. I don't know what the very bottom looks like yet. One more gobble. We just need one more gobble.
I need like 20 more gobbles to get one.
One more gobble for now. I would just like to know what direction he's going. That would help out a lot. It's amazing how much everything looks like a turkey when you're turkey hunting.
Well, this is dumb, but kind of cool at the same time. Last night, I was trying to relocate, couldn't find really a good area to park and hunt where I am. A couple spots I stopped to check out, they had lane going back to it, but after a while it turned into a private road, gated, threatenings of trespass, you shall die kind of thing. So I came down to a different area I finally got access to, probably about a 6-mile ride of some bumpy rocky road, and then busted my tail across this great wide open plain full of rocks, probably rattlesnakes too, and I was going to get down in this creek bottom. Well, if you look, that's my creek. I got no way that I'm gonna get down that mess. So, fortunately, I don't hear any turkeys gobbling down there, so I'm not tempted with the idea of trying to die climbing down this hill face. So I'm just sitting up here on this side of this cliff, and I'm gonna watch the sun come up because it's gonna take me a while to get out of here. So I'm gonna enjoy it. Beautiful sunrise. Kind of slipping, trying to cover ground, see if I can strike a bird. If you look, the place is gorgeous. It'd be an incredible place to call a turkey up through. However, they can see a long ways off. So as I'm walking, I'm kind of calling a lot and hoping that one gobbles just out of sight. Because otherwise it's going to be hope I see them before they see me. But, and keep at it. And enjoy the sights and the sounds California has to offer. It's been fun. I haven't heard anything from Jacob or Bonce and Alan if they did anything with that bird's brother, so I'm hoping for them. Well, I believe my time here in California is about up. So we got a couple hours left. I could hunt, but I got an early morning flight tomorrow, so I'm just gonna head back to the airport, get all packed up, make sure everything's good to go so I can get my gun in and give them plenty of time to not lose that, hopefully. California, you have been a dream. That was so nice to get the pressure out of the way and then just be able to sit back and enjoy everything else that comes with it, because man, it's a hell of a life.